Hey everyone. So this is the gear I usually take on most photo trips. About 50 pounds in this case here, and a big honking tripod, which I really rely on for really critical work and client work and things like that. But I don't always feel like taking this tripod or this much gear with me, and sometimes I just want to go and have fun, go hiking or riding my bike with my camera gear. So I'll show you what I use for that. Going for a bit of a hike right now. This is what I take with me. You can see that tall guy right in the back there. So that's what I'm using. In a few minutes I'm going to stop, I'll set it up, I'll show you guys what it is and what I can put on it and still feel very secure about the sharpness of my pictures and the steadiness of the camera. And I have absolute confidence in this kind of tripod with this gear that I have. Okay, so we have one of the first two-section tripods around. It's the CP22-M2. 22 means it has 22 millimeter tubes. M2 means they're medium length. And 2 means that there's 2 leg sections. Okay, I'm going to break it down and show you what it's capable of. So, like I said, 22 millimeter tubes, and I've put a smallish ball head on top, 38 millimeter ball. You don't want something too heavy because then it'll make it very top heavy, kind of defeat the purpose. But anyway, this wonderful tripod here is very light. It's just under 2 pounds. Like I said, it's got 2 sections, comes with rubber feet and spiked feet, and it will go fairly low to the ground, as you can see, maybe about 3 inches off the ground. The nice part is that it's incredibly light and incredibly steady, being a 2-section tripod. I'll show you just how tall this gets. I'm about 5'8" at the moment. I expect to shrink in the near future, but today I'm 5'8". And this is it. There's a wonderful 2-section tripod, steady, and in a minute I'm going to put on my camera, one of the heavier cameras I have, and we'll see how the tripod behaves with it. For those who don't know, this is the Fuji GX680 camera. It's a film camera. It's quite large, as you can see. It's quite a beefy piece of camera. It weighs about 10 pounds in this configuration with a lens and a back on it. It's a film camera, obviously, since it has a film back. But the reason I chose to demonstrate it, in part, is because this camera has quite a large mirror. And the mirror is about 8 centimeters by 8 centimeters. So it really gives a good mirror slap every time you take a photo. So you do need a good tripod to, steady the camera and support it well. Okay, the tripod is fully extended just to see how much vibration we get with this 10-pound camera on top. What I'm going to do is take a photo with the camera, and I am going to look at this knob here and see if we detect any vibration. Now remember, it's on top of a ball head as well, and the ball head is going to be the weak link in all of this, but it's still going to be holding very nicely, and photos will still be shot. Okay, so now I have the video camera mounted on a tripod, pretty steady and secure, and we're going to see when I press the shutter on this big Fuji GX680, we'll see how much the camera moves as it's on top of the CP22 tripod. So here we go. I'm going to press the shutter now. And one more. Okay, so that's it. Looks pretty good to me. You be the judge. And this is, you know, the GX680 10-pound camera on top of the FLM CP22-M2 tripod. That's a 22mm tube, a 2-section tripod. Well, that's it. Now you've seen the CP22 in action, and at least you can't say that you don't know about it now. Wonderful tripod, steady, easy to transport and go on hikes with. Lightweight, and only 2 sections. Look at that. And I'm done. And of course, if you have any questions, just give us a call or write to us. Send us an email. I mean, flmcanada.com contact page. Hope this was fun. It was fun for me. I really love this tripod, and I'm going to use it pretty much every day if I can. All right. See you later.